Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. So the website name is bikemap.com, .net, and this is a website URL. This is a .net website, so where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink. And the main thing, this site is closely related for the sports and the athlete industry. So if you are in the same, so this site is a relevant backlink for you. Either if you want to create a do follow backlink, so you can also consider this site for your do follow backlinking. Okay, so before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 77, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 63, and the spam score is only 4%. And if I can show you this website traffic, this video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So you will see this website having a 270k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Germany, Australia, UK, India, and another country. So this website having a that kind of traffic. So if you wanting to increase a crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will definitely consider this site for your backlinking. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login button, and there you can add your email address. You can paste it here. You can click on the continue. Then after that, there you can add your company name, and you guys will choose your password. And after, you can acknowledge the terms and condition and click on the sign up now. And after this, site will send you the activation email. So you guys will check your Gmail, and then you can activate your profile. So might be you receive your email in spam folder, might be. Then after, you can click on the confirm email address, and your account is now activated. So after, you can click on the login button, and click on the profile icon, and there is a setting button. You can click on this, and this is your profile. So if you wanting to optimize your username, so you can. So there I can add my brand name, so Jobma, and this is your full name. There you can upload your profile picture. So I can upload my company logo, and if you have, then you can upload your banner, profile banner image, and there you can add your company description. So let me use this, and there you can add your location. So our location is this, so let me use this, and finally there you can add your website URL. This is a website URL, and everything I have added will have added. Then after that, you can click on the save button. Again, you can click if this not updated. So let me upload again a profile picture. Might be there are some time there is some issues. So you guys will upload your image once, and then you can upload your cover image. So yeah, we completed all the things, you can see, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL. You can copy this, and if I can show you in another window, so you can see this is a backlink logo, and this is your brand name, your website URL, and where is the description, I guess is this. Yeah, I can show you the website backlink. So this is a do follow or no follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% do follow backlink, but their description is not visible. So I don't know why these things are happening. I guess this website having some internal rules or anything. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.